Get it? Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back. I'm actually with Evan and Reed. We're fishing out this little John boat. It's one of my uncle's friends, and as you guys can see behind me, we're in like in a big pond with a really big boat, to be honest. We got 3 people in it, 2 seats, and we got a trolling motor. And what we're going to do is do some bass fishing today. Reed knows what he's doing and Evan knows what he's doing. And of course, I know what I'm doing. So what we're going to do is see how many bass we can catch. And we're just going to show you guys how it is. So we're pretty excited and we're going to get this going. All right guys, let's do this. Now I got a little Ned rig on here, curly tail black worm. Reed and Evan are using the same thing, like a Texas rig like. And what we're going to do is see if we can catch any bass. I just think they're just too small. Me?
Yeah.
No, I'm using a Ned rig. It's like a curly tail worm with a jig head on it.
Or should we put the anchor down?
No, because you won't be able to move. I mean, I know you don't want to do that because we won't be able to move back and forth. All right, guys, I'm gonna do one more cast here, then we're gonna go to the other side. Oh my hair! Don't pull it up. Oh my God! Pull it up! Don't! It's gonna break your line. Oh my God! Hold on. Give me it! Give me it! All right. Stop moving, fish. Reed just caught his first bass. Oh. Motor is. I got one. Got one. Oh my God. Evan, stop it now.
Oh, nice.
It was trolling too. From trolling. All right, you guys need to reach down. Oh my God. Reach down. Oh, whoa. Oh, he got off. Oh, it's nuts.
What happened?
We lost it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Start filming and tell me.
All right, guys, so what just happened was I was trolling. Like, I put the bait in the water and this bass smashed it. Then Reed was trying to grab it. Then the fish went nuts and broke, got off. Evan, do the same thing. I'm just going to troll.
Yeah.
Like, I'll throw it out there.
Troll too.
You had to put one of these swim baits on.
We were doing this deep sea fishing.
Yeah, you troll. Trolling, I guess trolling works. I think I got one, Evan. I can't tell. Look at all those turtles. Right there.
Oh, on the wall, you see them?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Sure, over there. Is that a snake too?
Oh.
I swear that might be a snake over there too.
Evan, no, you have to go forward. You can't have the motor go that way. Turn it around.
Maybe over there.
You have to have it going forward, because if you don't, you're gonna smack it. Guys, we only got an hour left, so I would try to catch fish. Got one. Oh, there's one. Reed, get it. Reed, get it.
Oh my God.
Grab it. Grab it. I got it. Oh my. I got it. Yeah, we hold the pole.
Yeah, boy.
Thanks. Look at this, guys. This is nuts.
Can I put it in the water?
Yeah. I gotta somehow grab him.
It's a large smallmouth.
I wonder what the largemouth.
Oh yeah.
Stop moving. There we go.
I want to put it back in the water.
All right. Hold on, let me put this down. Guys, look at this.
Where did you catch it at?
at this puppy
Right over here.
over there.
Where's the turtles?
Yeah, just a little dude.
It's
He ate the little bass right on top of the mouth.
That's little. Not like Reed has different casting. How much is that? How much
Here.
is that?
No, I meant if I hook into it, you want to reel it in if you don't get one? Here, go back to that spot, Reed. Where we just were.
Oh, that was a good cast. Hold
Where
on.
we just were.
Look
Wait
at
for
that
Evan's
cast.
bait though.
You see that cast?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where is the cast? Like over here? Over there?
Yeah.
Big bet. Big bet. Big bet. Want me to start?
Evan, you gotta reel it in slow. Yeah, Reed, start going over there.
That way.
So far we caught 2 fish.
Turn on. Why are you on one? I'm on like 4.
Whoa, Evan, you need to sit down.
I'm fine. Holding on to your shoe.
Oh crap, hold on, Reed.
Reed, hold on.
Never mind, you're good. Got, oh, wait. Yeah, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it.
Turn it sideways. I can't pass them.
Yeah, you can, throw it that way.
I want to throw it into the cage.
If I get another one, Evan, do you want me to reel it in?
I'll reel it in.
What?
I'll reel it in.
Got one. Evan, grab it. Evan, grab the fish. Grab the fish.
Here, give me.
No, you have to grab the fish. I can't. It's too big. You have to grab the fish. I can't give it to you. Or Reed. Evan, just go left, left. Oh. Oh, there we go. Here. Oh my God.
2 fish. I can't get one. Cause look what happened.
I'll get your. Here, I'll give you one.
Where are the fires? I'll just put you on.
I'll give you one of these, Evan.
Cast that for me so I can fish with you.
Oh no. Crap.
Nice.
All right.
Here, can I release it?
Hold on, guys. Another one off the little minnow. Decent sized bass.
Reed's tubes.
Decent sized bass. Little largemouth off the little pound tail swim bait I'm using. So let's get this guy released. I think. Alright guys, I'm standing up, okay? There's so many airplanes over here. Evan, try to get